Isn't this a great dinner?
Yes, it is.
Get your hair 1000. There's another tornado warning. We have to get on the bathroom. Everyone listen to me. There's a tornado warning. Let's all get in the bathroom to shudder.
Let's get on top of each other to shield us from the debris.
Okay. The GoAnimate guy's 67.
Oh no. Tornado is here. The Trando is gonna destroy the city.
I hope my Stephen and Dad is okay.
Oh no, I hear a tornado. Let's take the shelter.
Good idea, Dad.
Church, stay calm, everyone.
Hooray. We're alive.
But the whole restaurant is gone.
I hope your father is okay.
Yay. We survived the tornado and our house is okay.
I'm now going to call Alina Ashrith. Hello. We survived the tornado and our house is okay. Is Kidjo 1000 okay?
Yes. Get your hair 1000 is okay. We'll be coming home soon.
Great. I'll see you later. Bye.